Today we're doing a quick overview of our 2016 Toyota Highlander LE all-wheel drive. This Toyota Highlander has the 3.5 liter V6 in this awesome dark red. Let's go take a look inside. On the driver door panel here, you do get your soft touch armrest with your power windows, locks, and mirrors, your automatic one-touch for your driver and passenger. You also do have a cup holder in the door panel with a little bit extra storage. You have the all-weather mats up front here as well, as you do get your power driver seat with your lumbar support. You're equipped with a nice leather and cloth upholstery. Now that we're inside the Toyota Highlander, on the left-hand side of the steering column, you're going to find your power liftgate up and down, and you have your multi-directional pad on the left-hand side of the steering wheel. You do get your multimedia controls on the left-hand side of the steering wheel. You do have your volume rocker, your skipping, seeking, mode select, hold to mute, as well as your voice recognition, answer and hang up. And now on the right-hand side is where you're going to find your multi-directional pad with your back button and the display. On the back here, you do get your automatic headlights as well as your windshield wipers. Going through the tachometer screen in front of us here, on the left-hand side, you do have your RPM gauge. On the right-hand side, you do have your speedometer there. And using the multi-directional pad, you can scroll through the screen here and go and pick the different options. So you can see right now you do get your eco is off, so it'll show that. At the bottom, it shows if you're in park, reverse drive, sport, as well as your outside temperature, your odometer, and then your trip A and trip B there. And you can completely turn off and go through the settings here. So hitting the display button, we go over to the right here, you can see your average fuel economy. You can hold the center button to reset your range till empty, your fuel mileage after you refill, your after reset there, and then your settings for your press and hold to get into the settings there, and then just a blank screen, which is nice and easy to do through the screen there. But moving to the infotainment, you do get your audio control. So you're going to find as we go to the home screen here, on the left hand side you do have your what's playing, and then on the right hand side you do have your Bluetooth for your phone. So as we hit audio, you can go in and set your favorites on the left hand side here. You have a bunch of favorites to set there, as well as you can go up into the source list, change from your AM, FM, Sirius XM radio, your CD, USB, Bluetooth, and auxiliary. As we tap apps here, you're going to see your audio, phone, messages, eco, and setup, so you can set your phone up through Bluetooth. Nice and easily, you can go into your eco stats and see how you've been driving and how your gas mileage has been. As we put the Highlander into reverse, you do get your backup camera with your guidance line. You also do have your CD drive up top. And moving down below to your dual zone climate control here, you do have your auto and sync air, so you can sync the air to the driver. You also do have rear sync, which is very nice for the rear climate control, so you can turn on or off the rear, change the rear temp here as well, and hit sync and it'll all sync up. So it's very nice that you can set that and have all the temperatures the same in the front and the back. You have the front and rear and mirror defroster here, a big storage compartment down here. You actually have a little pass through. It's pretty hard to see there, but you can pass through a cord to put your phone up here. It's a very good slot to place your phone. But below that is where you're going to find your USB port as well as your auxiliary and a 12 volt. So you run the cord up and then you have the cord out of the way and your phone out of the way while you're driving. You do get your traction control, snow mode, downhill, deceleration, as well as your all-wheel drive lock there. So you have your reverse drive, sport modes here, and then you have your heated seats for your driver and passenger on this little dial, which is very nice, so you can really customize how warm you have the seat. Two cup holders here with the different sizes, so it's very nice that you can do that. And into the center console, you do have a slide back and a push down slide. And in here, you're going to find 12 volt and a ton of storage there. But let's go take a look at the outside of this Highlander. Taking a look at the front of the Highlander, you do have your black and chrome front grille, your bright headlights and fog lights down below. You also do have your detachable block here up front there, which is very nice. If you forget to have it, forget to unplug in the morning, you won't drag the cord around with you. Taking a look at the remote here, you do have your key, as well as you do get your CompuStar two-way remote starter. So as you can see here, the vehicle is currently unlocked. As we tap the lock button, the lights do flash and it will show locked on here. You can hold down the key button on the side. It'll say remote start there. So the Highlander just start up, and then you'll get the alert on the key here right away. So it says just it starts and gives you a little tone to let you know the vehicle has started. And moving down here, you're going to find your Toyota alloy wheels. With the alloy wheels, you do have your all-season tires on them with a tire tread left remaining. As you're put in the back here, you do have your OEM 5 window tint there. But as we're going to the back of the Highlander, you're going to find the Highlander badging down below, the LE all-wheel drive there as well, as you do have your liftgate control here. So we gotta unlock here. And you do get your power liftgate there nice and easily to open up the power liftgate. You do have a little kickstand here, so it will help protect from things scratching the paint there. In the back here, you do have a little cargo mat, as well as you're going to have your rear seats. So under here, you're going to find the rear seating. So as we pull this up, you do have the seat for the driver and passenger, and you do get the mats that just are attached there, so you can have them up, and you have the 3 seats in the rear here. You also do have a cup holder in the back there. There's 2 cup holders on the right hand side and 1 cup and 2 on the left hand side. You also do have a little seatbelt holder here for when the seats are not in use, as well. So you're going to find storage under the side compartments there. Let's take a look at the rear seating. Now on the rear door panel, you do have your soft touch armrest, your power window controls, and a cup holder in the door panel. You have the cargo, all of the mats in the back here as well, and you have the 3 seating with the middle seat armrest here with your 2 cup holders. You also do get your rear air climate control back up here, which is lockable from the front. You can have it set the auto fan speed for the rear as well, which is very nice. So you can have that all set up. And to get into the back seats here, you do have the way to fold down the seat, or you can slide it there. So you do have the 2 options, as well as you do have the release for the rear passenger when they are in the back. Seat slides up nice and easily. Don't need put a lot of effort into the back there. You have all the mats in the back here as well, and then you do have the 3 seating in the back that we looked at when we were in the boot. Thank you for watching this quick overview of our 2016 Toyota Highlander LE. If you have any questions about this Highlander or want to know all the features and specs about this Highlander, please visit parkmazda.ca. At that time, you'll be able to find out all the information, as well as book this vehicle for a test drive. For the qualified test drive, you get a $25 Visa gift card. We hope to see you guys soon, and have a great rest of your day.